Hey everybody, this is Grandpa Rails. Got a mail call here. Maybe one of the few left coming out of here. I know I'm going to be doing one when I go visit out to Texas in June when I take some stuff out. I'll have some stuff there. But I got this one right now. Let's see. That special tape on here. Wow. Keep that where I can seal it again. Okay. Now this is a kit. I'll show you here. Oh boy, he sealed this thing up good. Well, it's grandpa proof. Good thing I just sharpened this thing. It's cutting through there really good. Okay. This is a kit from McCarville Studios. Michael McCarville. It's the HO scale Placerville gas station kit. It's based on what he's seen out in old Placerville, Colorado, but it resembles some of the old gas stations I used to see in West Virginia when I was a kid on the roadside. In fact, there used to be one similar to this that was across the road from where we turned into where my grandfather lived. And I remember going down there and getting cherry sodas and stuff all the time. So it was pretty cool. So he had this up for sale and he had a video on it. I liked it. I decided to get it. So I won't be putting it together while I'm here. So this will be a project I will start once I get out to Texas. So in about 3 months or so, I will probably start doing this build while I'm assembling the new layout. So I want to say thank you to Michael for making this kit. This is a pretty cool kit, and I'm sure I'll be getting more of his stuff. He's got quite a bunch of nice kits. So I guess that's all for now. And again, you want to get a Craftsman kit, Michael McCarville's the guy to check out. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.